Hi, my name is Vilma, and in this video I will teach you how to schedule a meeting in Zoom. So let's start. Let's write Zoom. There it is. As I have already created an account, I only need to sign in. There it is. Now, in this part you can see that we have the option that says schedule a meeting. So now we have to write the topic of our meeting. So let's say that it will be about tips for an interactive online meeting, which is already there. This is optional. Yeah, writing a description is optional, so I will not do it. Now, this is very important to set the time. So I will schedule the meeting for tomorrow, April the 9th, and it will be at 2:30 p.m. Yeah, we have as default 1 hour. Then this part, the time zone, you have to be very careful. You have to choose your time zone. In my case, is this one. This part that says meeting ID, you just leave it the way it is. Next, we have meeting password. The system will give you an automatic password which you can share with your students to make your meeting safer. Now, in this part for video, as default, nobody will have access to our webcams, but you can change that once the meeting is in progress. Regarding audio, you have to choose the option that says both, since some of the participants may use a telephone or a computer audio. This is also important, meeting options. The first option says enable join before host. So in this case, you're not going to mark it because you want to be first in the meeting. The second option says mute participants upon entry. I suggest doing this to avoid background noise which could interfere during your presentation, at least at the beginning. Then at the end, you can give participants the opportunity to speak, so you can unmute them. As default, we have this option that says enable waiting room. It means that participants will have to wait for you to give them permission to access the meeting. And then here we have the last option that says record the meeting automatically on the local computer. Yeah, if you don't want to record your meetings, you don't need to mark this. So in this case, I will not mark it. Now I will go and save this meeting. Now you can see that our meeting is ready, and you have the time. You can add it to Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar or Yahoo Calendar. It depends on you. And this is important. This is the link and the password that you need to send to your students. You can use email or Facebook or WhatsApp or any other way to share this link for students or participants to get ready. And basically that will be all. So I hope this video is useful. Bye.